Keep heavy debris like mortar and rusted mesh contained and moved safely to avoid injury and legal trouble. Start by separating materials on site into dense ceramic and mortar, metal mesh and rebar, and general construction waste so each can be handled and transported correctly. For mortar and tile fragments, chip them into smaller, manageable pieces and place them into heavy-duty contractor bags or rigid buckets rated for construction debris to control dust and prevent punctures. For rusted metal, mesh cut into sections with bolt cutters or an angle grinder fitted with a metal cutting wheel, then coil and bind each bundle with wire so edges are not exposed while you carry them. Always dampen dusty mortar and ceramic with a light mist of water before bagging to reduce airborne silica, and wear a respirator rated for silica plus eye protection, heavy gloves, long sleeves, and work boots to prevent cuts and abrasions. Load bags and bundles into a pickup or rented trailer in layers with heavier items on the bottom and secure the load with straps or netting so pieces cannot shift during transport. If you have large quantities, reserve a roll-off container size to the job and communicate with the disposal site ahead of time about acceptable materials and any tipping fees. People often underestimate the weight of mortar and overload bags or containers, which leads to tearing and injury, so limit each bag to a manageable weight and use rigid buckets for the heaviest loads. Another common mistake is mixing metal mesh with masonry that some facilities will not accept together, so separate and label materials and check local facility rules before hauling. The third concern is inadequate personal protective equipment when handling rusted mesh, which raises the risk of cuts and tetanus. Always wear puncture-resistant gloves, long sleeves, eye protection, and keep tetanus vaccination current. We built BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and find guidance on tasks like debris removal and demolition. We provide a community discussion area where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and find local help, and we make it easy for contractors to locate work and for homeowners to post projects and find matches.